Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your DIRECTV bill online. Login and payment step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type DIRECTV, comment to the address bar, and press enter to go to the official DIRECTV website. Find and click the sign in option at the top of the page. Enter your DIRECTV user ID or email address in the username field. Enter your password carefully and click Sign in to access your account. If you forgot your login details, click Forgot User ID or Password and follow the prompts to reset them. After signing in, look for the Billing, Payments, or My Bill section on your account dashboard. Click View Bill or Billing Details to confirm the amount due and the due date. Select Make a Payment or Pay Now to start the payment process. Choose whether you want to pay the full balance or enter a custom amount. Double-check the payment amount to avoid underpaying or overpaying. Select your payment method, such as credit card, debit card, or bank account transfer. If you are using a card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. If you are using a bank account, enter the routing number and account number as requested. Choose a payment date, such as today, and confirm it matches your preferred schedule. Review the payment summary screen for the correct account, amount, and payment method. If available, enable autopay if you want future bills to be paid automatically each month. Read any on-screen terms or authorization statements and confirm you agree to proceed. Click Submit Payment, Pay, or Confirm to finalize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation page to load and do not refresh or close the browser during processing. Look for a confirmation number or receipt message that shows the payment was successful. Save a screenshot of the confirmation page or download the receipt for your records. Check your email for a payment confirmation message from DIRECTV. Return to the billing section and verify that your balance due has updated or shows the payment as pending. If the payment does not appear, wait a few minutes and refresh the billing page once. For extra security, sign out of your DIRECTV account when you are finished. If you used a public or shared device, clear the browser history and cache data after signing out. If you run into errors, contact DIRECTV support through the Help or Contact Us option on the website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.